There are some buildings in cities that are so popular they've been photographed lots and lots of times. So here are a couple of tips to give your urban photography its own unique perspective. One approach to finding an unusual take on a well-photographed building is to wander round the back, and that's exactly what we've done here. We're on the riverside of the dome, and obviously it's surrounded by this security fencing. That isn't a problem, that's an opportunity. And rather than trying to frame it out, let's include it in the image. So you can see here how the security fencing is just creating some extra lines in this shot, and I can literally splice the sun in two as I come through. Now these lines of the fencing add to the lines of the supports on the dome. And that's with the dome in focus behind. But what I can do now is focus on the fencing rather than on the dome itself. And again, the dome supports are kind of blurred out in the background. You can just about make out what it is. It's a really interesting take on the dome. An angle that I'm sure not many of us have seen before. Here's something that's really interesting. I've gone for an abstract take on the dome. So I'm stood right here, directly in between these two large supports and with these four air vents. And what I found is that when I frame them up, even though these pillars kind of lean outwards, when I frame them up dead in the middle, it looks as though they go straight up. So let me just try that. So I framed it up, I'm stood right in the middle, and again, symmetry is really important for these abstract type shots. Frame right up in the middle, focusing on those air vents at the bottom and taking it away. And that is, what I like about it is that it doesn't look like the dome per se, but it's unmistakably the dome. And that is definitely a unique take on this thing.